Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for March 16 to 31, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang mga reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And if you are interested in private reading, naka 30% discount tayo hanggang March 20. So, you can book for a reading. Meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, let's see Pisces. What's up? You can radically change your results by shifting your beliefs. What belief is limiting you? O may mga bagay daw na naglilimita sa'yo from achieving your goals. Ditong mga belief system ninyo. Pwede ngayon magbabago ang pananaw nyo sa buhay. No? Yung attitude nyo towards something magbabago. Para makuha niyo yung resulta na gusto ninyo. So, by changing your perspective. Oo, pananaw sa buhay. So, maaring may nagbabago na pananaw sa buhay sa inyo na positively magiging positibo yung epekto nito sa inyo. Dahil sa pagbabago ng inyong paniniwala. Let's see. What else? Kasi minsan, naisip natin, hindi natin kaya. So, maari ngayon, mas magtitiwala kayo sa sarili nyo. Phoenix. Tapos may Fortress. So, you are transforming. There's a transformation. You are rising from the ashes. May nagbabago sa'yo. Positibong pagbabago ito. Mas malakas na yung loob mo ngayon. Mas confident ka na. You are staying in power. Parang wait lang, lumipat. Determinado ka, no, na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Yung iba sa inyo meron talagang merong magtatapos, merong magsisimula. Number 9 in numerology is culmination. So, ending of a cycle. And then, number 1 is a new beginning. Okay? So, may endings and new beginnings. That's part of your transformation. So, let's see your overall energy. Overall energy. 2 of Pentacles. Okay, so marami ka ngayong ginagawa. Very busy. You are juggling 2 situations, 2 relationships, or 2 careers. Just take what resonates. Ka-clarify natin yan mamaya. What is the challenge? Ace of Swords. Some of you na-challenge kayo sa mga bagong ideas na meron kayo ngayon. Kasi minsan, nagda-doubt kayo sa sarili nyo kung kaya nyo tong isakatuparan. Kaya nga ang sinasabi rito is changing your beliefs. How you think, kung paano ka mag-isip. And Swords is about your thoughts, mga iniisip mo. So, challenge sa'yo yan. Yung mga creative ideas mo. Minsan kasi, may idea tayo na iisip na, uy, maganda idea yon. Pero, hanggang idea lang siya kasi iniisip mo, kaya ko ba siyang gawin? Mahirap ata yan or marami akong kailangang i-sacrifice, mga ganon. Okay, so let's see your opportunity. Opportunity. Your opportunity is to change. Grabe, judgment. This is changing yourself. Okay? So, ito yung tipong kusang loob na pagbabago. You are reinventing yourself. Meron kang opportunity na ma-realize yan ngayon Na, sarili ko pala yung dapat na may magbago. Hindi yung ibang tao ang babago sa'yo. 'Diba? Kasi ikaw yung mas merong karapatan sa sarili mo at mas may control sa sarili mo. Your blessing. Oh, ang ganda ng blessing. The world. Alam niyo, the world is ending a cycle in your life. Okay? Kanina ko pa nabanggit yung cycle na yan. So, I feel like merong kang achievement na or merong natapos, pero achievement siya kasi natapos mo. You get what I mean? Yung parang, limbawa, graduate ka, no? Gagraduate ka na sa school, sa college. So, nakakalungkot kasi tapos na eh, 'di ba? May mga kaibigan ka na hindi na makikita, parang it's like a chapter of your life is ending. However, there's a new chapter of your life that is starting, about to start. So, ganun yung energy na yan for you. And that is a blessing for you. Yung iba naman, blessing to na opportunity sa ibang bansa, or you are going to conquer the world. So, when I say conquer the world, ibig sabihin yan, hindi ka lang local, hindi ka pang local lang, no? Kung saang bansa ka nakatira, hindi lang doon yung operation mo. Pwedeng international, no? Let's say sa business mo, sa career mo, nakakapag-travel ka, ganun. What is the Two of Pentacles? Ace, the Fool. Okay. The Fool is a new beginning. This is freedom. Ayan. Mas malakas talaga yung loob nyo ngayon, Pisces. You feel like you are really guided to start something. Kahit na sa tingin mo wala ka masyadong alam dyan, or yung tipong, bahala na, ganun. Pero pagdating doon, alam mo pa rin naman yung gagawin mo. Because you will make a way, or you are going to find a way. So, your challenge also is the Six of Pentacles, balance in your finances. Pwede yung iba sa inyo mahilig magbigay ng magbigay. Oo, maaring natitake advantage kayo kasi masyado kayong mapagbigay. Kailangan din matuto rin kayong tumanggap at mag-set ng boundaries. Kasi yan maaring maabuso. Let's see your what is the Judgment. Two of Cups. An opportunity to team up. To be with someone na meron kayong parehong intentions, meron kayong parehong goal sa buhay. So, maaring meron kang opportunity ngayon na magkaroon ng kapartner sa buhay, karelasyon, pwedeng romantic, pwede namang friendship, or sa family na meron kayong bubuuhin, i-build na isang trabaho, business, career, na meron kang katuwang sa buhay. Your blessing is the Four of Pentacles. So, this is financial stability, financial security, and pagpapatibay pa ng savings mo. So, I feel like yung opportunity sa'yo abroad or connection, trading sa ibang bansa, magdadala to sa'yo ng blessings. May swerte dyan. May mga tao na nagtatry na tipong pabagsakin ka. So, you have to be very careful sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. And also, labas-labas din daw. Kapag may mga stressful situation sa trabaho, sa career, hindi pwedeng nasa isang corner ka lang ng office mo or ng workplace mo. Kailangan mong lumabas, touch some grass, or breathe some air. Yan, para ma-release mo yung kanigahan sa workplace mo. Or kung ano man yung situation na meron ka na nakaka-stress. So, sa relationship, if you are connecting with someone, you are going to be more open-minded, no? Kasi may mga pagkakataon na yung person na gusto natin is hindi talaga 100% na mag-a-align sa standards natin. So, kumbaga, be more open-minded sa ugali ng tao, no? Yan give and take. If you're single, If you're single, i-enjoy mo yung life mo. Pwedeng you will go out on a date, but nothing so serious. Gusto mo muna mag-enjoy, to have fun, meeting new people, going out, connecting with people, networking, ganyan. So, you want to be more comfortable connecting with more people na may potential na maging kaibigan mo, and who knows, baka maging future romantic partner mo, 'di ba? Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!